Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to learn to knit this beautiful and very easy pattern. You can use this pattern in your ladies cardigan, sweater, shawl, jacket and scarf as well. See, this is the way it looks like. It looks very beautiful and pretty. See, this is the pattern. See, wrong side looks like this. So this is only 6 rows repeat pattern, and before 6 rows you will need to knit 2 base rows before you start the repeat pattern. This is base row. You will need to knit 2 base rows first and then you will start the repeat pattern, right? So this is only 6 rows repeat pattern, and after you you need to cast in multiples of 13 plus 2 edge stitch. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 28 stitches on my needle, which is 13 plus 13, 2 times 13, 26, and plus 2 edge stitch, 28. So before you start the repeat pattern, first knit 2 base rows. So this is the first base row. For the first base row, knit all stitches. This is right side. Knit all stitches for the first base row, right side. Second base row wrong side. For second base row wrong side, knit all stitches, edge stitch, slip on the wrong side and knit all stitches. And because this is wrong side, so your edge stitch, bring them in front first and then slip on the wrong side. This will give you nice edge. So we have done 2 base rows here, and now we're going to start the repeat from here. So row 1 right side. After 2 base rows, row 1 right side, knit your edge stitch through the back loop and start the repeat from here. This is all knit stitch, so knit all stitches for row 1. knit all stitches for row 1, row 2 wrong side. For row 2 wrong side, purl all stitches, slip on the wrong side, so slip on the wrong slip your edge stitch on the wrong side and purl all stitches. And edge stitch, slip on the wrong side. Now row 3, knit your edge stitch through the back loop and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then yarn over, knit 1 5 times, yarn over, knit 1 1, yarn over, knit 1 2, yarn over, knit 1 3, yarn over, knit 1 4, yarn over, knit 1 5, right? Yarn over, knit 1 5 times, and then one more time, yarn over and knit 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. That's the repeat from here to here. So for repeat pattern, we have done knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then yarn over, knit 1 5 times, yarn over, knit 1 1, yarn over, knit 1 2, yarn over, knit 1 3, yarn over, knit 1 4, yarn over, knit 1 5 times, and then one more time, yarn over and knit 4. This is the repeat pattern. You will repeat this pattern, repeat pattern. So we have one more repeat. Repeat that again. Knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Knit 4 and yarn over, knit 1 5 times, yarn over, knit 1 1, yarn over, knit 1 2, yarn over, knit 1 3, yarn over, knit 1 4, yarn over, knit 1 5 times, and then one more time, yarn over and knit 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Your edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 4, purl all stitches, slip your edge stitch and purl all stitches. Row 5. On row 5, knit your edge stitch through the back loop and start the repeat from here. Bring them in front and purl 2 together 3 times. Purl these 2 together. 1, purl 2 together, 2, one more time, purl 2 together, 3 times, 1 2 3, purl 2 together 3 times, and then knit 7, yarn in back, knit 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 2 4 6 7, knit 7 and purl 2 together 3 times. Purl 2 together 1, purl 2 together 2, purl 2 together 3 times, right? That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 2 together 3 times, 1 2 3, knit 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and purl 2 together 3 times. Again, repeat that again. Purl 2 together 3 times, 1 2 and 3 times, knit 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and purl 2 together 3 times. 1 2 and 3 times. So we have done 2 repeats from here to here, and your edge stitch knit on the right side. See, row 6, last row, knit all stitches. So slip your edge stitch purl wise on the wrong side and knit all stitches. And edge stitch, bring them in front and slip on the wrong side. So that's the repeat. We have done 1 repeat here. See, this is 1 repeat, and now repeat this 6 rows. You're gonna skip your 2 base rows. Repeat 6 rows, row 1 to row 6, over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after your few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll share my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.